Hand off at 24, going off the right side, cut it back on left. Brought down by number 12 and I believe number 6. Pick up a 5, 2nd and 5 under center. Fumble! And that ball is going to be recovered by the Jags defense. 42 with the recovery. And 10 from the Ravens 20. High snap, quarterback. Oh, ball's loose. Nobody wants it. Who's got it? It's still out there. And it is going to be recovered finally by number 6 for the Jags. After all that, the Jags offense keeps possession, and it's going to be 2nd and 30 as the quarterback gets no gain on the play. Going to bring up 3rd and 30 for the Jags.
Go right, cut back left, and a nice cutback, and he will get in for the Gators.
Third and 30, Jaguars. Go from the shotgun, quarterback looking to pass, hits number 6 in stride, and nice pitch and catch. Game within their own territory. Jaguars defense looking to make a play. Pitch back to number 6, and he is hit in the backfield by number 10 and brought down. Fine read by number 10 on the play. Was able to get his hands on 6 before he had a chance to get going. Loss of about 8 on the play. Going to bring up 2nd and a long 18 for the Ravens. Quarterback passes number 15 wide open, 30, 40, foot race down to the... And they're going to say he was down. Yes, sir. First come, first serve, I've just been informed. There's only enough pulled pork left for 3 sandwiches. You better go get it now. First come, first serve. No, I will not save you a spot in line. No, I will not let you hold 5. Go get your sandwich right now. Time is running short. After that long completions, the Ravens got a flag on the play. And we offsides against the Jags. I'm going to bring up 1st and 5 for the Ravens from about the Jaguar 20-yard line.
But he can't go nowhere as he's walking.
Quarterback fakes a handoff, keeps it going up the middle. Number 15 running. Hit hard by 42 and 20 for the Jags. Nice tackle by the young men.
Let's give that young man a hand.
Pickup of about 5 on the play. Going to bring up 1st and goal. Ravens from the 10. And off of number 6 going around the left side, trying to get out there. And he scoots into the end zone. Touchdown Ravens, but there is laundry on the field. Let's see what the call on the field is. And we've got an illegal shift against the Ravens. So the touchdown is negated, and that will back it up a little bit. Number 1, shotgun, draw back the pass, rolling out left. Still looking downfield, passes up, and it is incomplete. I am going to take a guess and say the pulled pork sandwiches are gone. If you did not get a pulled pork sandwich, I'm not Catholic, but you need to go to confession tomorrow, for you have sinned for not getting one of them sandwiches. Your life expectancy is cut by 5 years. Number 6, sweep left, cut back to the right, and he is pushed out at about the 1-yard line.
3 volunteers.
3rd and goal from the 1, quarterback under center, direct snap. Touchdown Ravens!
Three volunteers for the chain crew. Someone step up so we can get this game started.
Trying to add to it. Pitch back to 8, pass to 3. Just like that. 2-point conversion is good. Ribs are so good, I seen a man eating the bone marrow out. Check him out. Quarterback looks to pass. 8 keeps it. Tries to go right. Tackle by number 3 and 20 for the Ravens. Pickup of maybe a half a yard. We'll call it no gain. 2nd and 10 coming up. Quarterback lets it loose. It is batted down by big number 20 for the Ravens. Looking for a receiver off the right side. Never had a chance as number 20.
Thunder will start with the ball first.
High snap, quarterback brings it down. Number 8 gets it loose. He's got a man beat. Number 75 on the reception, still on his feet. Wrestled down finally by the Ravens, but not before he picked up 25 good yards. And that gain is good enough for a Jaguar first down. Jags go under center now. Quarterback hands off. Oh, it's fumbled and picked up. The exchange was fumbled and picked up by the Ravens. First down Ravens after the turnover from the Jaguar. We'll call it 30. Quarterback 1 airs it out, all up in the there, and it is going to be incomplete pass. Number 1 rolls left, keeps it, trying to get something.
He's going to keep it up the middle, and he rumbles forward.
Quarterback hands off 24, going left, cuts back to the right, and he is tackled by number 2 on the play for the Jaguars. Ravens stay in shotgun, pitch back to number 6, going around the left, trying to get the corner, and he is going to be tackled over there. Number 42 for the Jags, and not sure who the other man was. Well, I think we got a player. .24 fighting forward off the right side. Spinning, spinning, and spinning, and spinning. Number 1 shotgun looking to pass, drops back, rolls left, keeps it, rolls out left again, and woo, big hit. But not before he got into the touchdown, Ravens. Extra point attempt, no good. Handoff at 2, going around the right side. Oh, swallowed up. Ravens defense almost playing like the Baltimore Ravens out there. Flying to the ball, going hard.
Intentional grounding is attacking.
Under center, quarterback hands off, and this fellow swallowed up, bumbled, ball loose. Who's got it? We got a touchdown, Ravens! Extra point attempt coming up. And off at 24 going around the right side. He's going to walk in untouched. Extra point is good for the Ravens. And we've come to halftime. Ravens lead. Fumble! Recovered by 75. Pick up a
Nice block by number 14.
hand off the one. He is hit at the line of scrimmage. Woo! Woo! Quarterback, hands off up the middle. Ravens defense not fooled at all. 6 on the carry. Pickup of maybe 1. That's going to bring up 4th down for the Jags and 4 long 5 to go. Pass out to number 6 on the right side. Ravens defense, it seems like they got 20 defenders on the field. They are all over it. Sideline to sideline. Quarterback fakes a handoff. Oh, the ball is loose. Picked up by number 24 coming around the left side. He's got the corner. He's got a blocker out there. They say he stepped out. Quarterback fakes a handoff, number 6, up the middle. 10-5 touchdown Ravens. Quarterback looks to pass the extra point, fakes it, keeps it, goes left, and he is in there. Extra point attempt is good by the Ravens as they extend their lead. The Jags will go with the shotgun look, bobbled snap. Number 8 trying to get what he can on the left side, and Ravens defense flying to the ball hard and strong. Number 25 leading the way. Loss of about 6 on the play. Going to bring up 3rd and about 16. Quarterback airs it out, and that ball is incomplete. Broken up by number 15 and 25 for the Ravens. Pass intended for 34, just does fall short.
The ball comes out and it's going to be flat point out. A fight for the football. It looks like the Panthers recovered. A little formation on the defense of the Panthers.
Flag on the play.
Oh, almost intercepted the incomplete. Number 1 in good position.
Hand off the 24 going on the right side. Dodging tackles left and right. Brought down after a pickup of about 4 on the play. Going to bring up second down and a long 6. Hand off to the back. Number 6 goes left, bounces out right, and he is in for the touchdown, Ravens.
Line back up,
Extra point is good.
You're on that one, right?
Shotgun formation, quarterback airs it out. He's thrown it up, and that ball is caught by number 75 for Flagler. Nice pitch and catch. I'm sorry, South Daytona. I do apologize. Quarterback looking for number 1 on the left side. Pass is incomplete. Shotgun formation, quarterback. Oh! Looking for 75. Pekin was number 15. That's just off his hands. Incomplete pass. Quarterback airs it out, throws it up, and that pass is going to be intercepted by number 15 for the...
First down for the Panthers.
The Ravens hand the ball off straight up the middle. Pickup of about 2 on the play. We'll call it second down and a long 8 to go. Hand off at 24, trying to go outside, breaking tackles. Still on his feet, 40, 30, 20, 15, 10, 5. Touchdown, Ravens. There is a flag on the play.